So, guys, I once dated this girl that used to bark like a dog in her sleep after every snore. Literally after every damn snore, she used to bark like a dog. She's like, arf, arf. I'm like, what the fuck was that? Was that a chihuahua? Was that a Bichon Frische? Babe, go get me the shotgun. I need to go kill a Bichon Frische. She's like, oh no, babe, that's me. I'm like, what? You bark like a dog and you sleep after every snore? She's like, oh yeah, it's just something I do. It's something that you do. She's acting like it's like eating freaking eggs in the morning, like it's the normal thing that you do, like brushing your teeth. No, it's not something that you normally do. She's a part dog. So I needed her to give me a reason to break up with her. So I changed my phone the next day. I changed my ringtone to my phone to the dog whistle. It rang like 15 times. And she's like, babe, your phone's ringing. I'm like, you can hear that? Yeah, it's like a dog whistle. I'm like, what? She was a dog by night and a human by day. It was so crazy. You couldn't even imagine it.